Welcome to the WION podcast, where we explore fascinating stories and ideas from various fields. In this episode, we explore how 2025 became a landmark year for India's space journey, as SPADEX breakthroughs, an Indian astronaut aboard the ISS, and ISRO 100th mission marked a new chapter in orbit. And the year's significance becomes clearer when we look at the scale of activity that unfolded. ISRO noted that between 2015 and 2025, the number of missions was nearly double that of what was achieved between 2005 to 2015. Indian Space Research Organisation Chairman V. Narayanan said, "From January until now, over 200 significant accomplishments have been made under the visionary leadership of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi." In January this year, India successfully carried out in-space docking using its own docking system. It became only the fourth country to do so. On 16th of January 2025, ISRO completed the docking of the two SPADEX satellites. The achievement is a crucial step for future Indian space missions as it aims to land humans on the moon and establish a space station. On 29th January 2025, ISRO launched NVS-02 aboard the GSLV F-15 rocket, marking the 100th mission from its Sriharikota spaceport. NVS-02 was successfully placed into geosynchronous transfer orbit, boosting India's navigation satellite infrastructure. Although it faced a slight hiccup as its orbit-raising motor failed to activate, it couldn't be placed in the intended orbit. ISRO and NASA joined hands to launch the first radar imaging satellite to use dual frequencies. They co-developed and launched the Earth Observation Satellite, called the NISR mission. It will observe and measure disturbances in the ecosystem, ice sheet collapse, and earthquakes, tsunamis, volcanoes, and landslides. Aditya L1 is India's first space-based solar observatory and is placed at the Sun-Earth L1 Lagrange point. In 2025, ISRO released about 15 terabytes of scientific data from the Aditya L1 solar mission for scientific global use. This data will help advance solar and space weather research. India made advances in propulsion and cryogenic-stage development in 2025. On 28 March 2025, ISRO performed a successful hot test of its semi-cryogenic engine, SE-2000, in intermediate configuration, a step that will advance India's propulsion technology. Then, in November 2025, during the LVM-3M5 CMS-03 mission, ISRO successfully tested the in-orbit ignition of the C-25 cryogenic upper stage. This event showed that India was surging ahead in the cryogenic rocket stage design and gaining more control in space. One of the most notable milestones in 2025 for India was to have the first Indian astronaut at the International Space Station. Shubhanshu Shukla was the first ISRO astronaut at the ISS and went there as part of the Axiom 4 mission. He spent approximately 18 days in space, making Indians across the globe proud. Thanks for tuning into this incredible story. If this episode resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more captivating stories to come. Stay tuned.